Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to perform a hard reset on Cudy AX1800. Let's begin! I'm currently on Cudy.net website. You can access this website at any time as long as your device is connected to your Cudy network. Anyway, you want to head to Advanced Settings and scroll all the way down to the system. Here we can see at the bottom the reset option. We click it, and as you can see now we have to click OK to reset the firmware to its initial state. We hit OK, and now our system is rebooting. Remember that you actually saw an original password there. You have to remember it or else you won't be able to get inside your Wi-Fi via, for example, phone. And remember that if you want to get to your to this site, to the admin panel, the password is always admin by default. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.